So as you could see, it only takes 10-15 minutes to replace the clutch in the 125cc quad. Hi guys, and welcome to next instruction video from Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily replace the clutch in 125cc quads yourself. It can be an 110cc or 90cc, 150cc. So the procedure for all of them is exactly the same. So here we have the 110cc 4-stroke quad with the burnet clutch. So the clutch spins, the quad is not going, so we need to replace the clutch. So first thing you need to do, you need to drain the oil. Prepare the empty basket and you will need the spanner number 17. And just here we have the bolt, so unscrew this bolt. And drain the oil from the engine. Now we need to get access into the cover here, so we need to remove this part here. Next you will need to remove all the bolts here all around. And the last bolt. Now we can remove the cover here. Just be careful, don't damage the gasket. Here we have the gasket, you can see it's not damaged. Now we need to remove these 4 bolts here. You need to make sure to use good quality screwdrivers so you don't override the screws. Here is one. Here is second one. And the last one. Now we need to pull that cover out, just like this. Now when you look closely here inside, here we have the nut, and there is a metal piece just inside, bended inside, so it won't turn. So we need to remove that little piece, just bend it out. Just like this. And now you will actually need a special tool to remove the nut, but you can use the screwdriver. Just like this. See, the nut already moves. You don't need to actually purchase the special tool for it. You can just do it like this. Slowly. So we have the nut here, and we can remove the washer. Now we need to pull out the clutch. So here we have the clutch out. As you can see, it's very easy, you don't need any special tools. So this clutch here is worn out, so we need to get new one. So here we have the new clutch. It's very important that when you order the new clutch, you can look just to make sure everything is the same as your old one, but it's very important that you actually count the teeth just here, this one's here, and the ones inside, and make sure there is the same amount of teeth. So first we need to remove these 4 bolts here. Remove the cap. As you can see, we got the new nut as well with it, so we can fit clutch in the place just like this. Make sure it fits well. Now put this washer first and then the nut. And now if you don't have the special tool, you need to do it exactly the same way when we remove the nut. So use the hammer, the flat screwdriver, and just punch it like this to tie the nut. Once we have that, you have to bend one of these plates here just to secure the nut, just like this. I hope you can see it. So see, we have bended just one here to secure the nut in position. Next, take the plate with the bearing, put the gasket on it. You can put one of the screws through it just to make sure the gasket is in good position, and now put it in place and screw in all 4 bolts. You need to make sure to use good quality screwdriver to tighten these bolts so you don't override them, and tighten all 4 bolts. Next, from the old cap you need to remove the sleeve, just this one here, and place it into the bearing from the new clutch. Just like this. Next, insert this part here with the spring. Make sure the spring is going inside, just like this. You can see. And now we are ready to put the cover on. So once again, look at the gasket, make sure it's not damaged and is well placed. And now you can put back the cover. Now put all the bolts around and tighten all the bolts. Next step is to put oil into the engine. Just make sure to put that bolt we have removed at the beginning on the bottom. So put the bolt first. Now remove the plastic cap just here, the dipstick, and put the oil, approx 850 milliliters of oil. So as you could see, it only takes 10-15 minutes to replace the clutch in the 125cc quad. It is the same procedure for all the 4-stroke engines like 90cc, 110cc, 125 up to 150cc. So as you could see, you don't need any special tools. You can do it yourself at home very easy. So if you need to replace the clutch, don't bring it to the mechanic, just do it yourself in 15 minutes. So thanks guys for watching this short video, and see you in the next video.